Welcome to my channel about embedded systems and fischertechnik robotics. This video is focused on my mobile walking robot Mirft2 based on the fischertechnik TXT controller and programmed in Python connected with USB and not with Wi-Fi, which I did previously. And you see it running, but this running is via the interface test, and I hope I can get it running again with Python. So in order to get to see whatever happened and with the USB interface and or with Wi-Fi, let me go to screencast and show you anything I can show. Screencast with 3 terminals, the interface test from Robot Pro, and obviously the camera. And this is showing that everything works, but it doesn't work as it should, because here on this side there's a gear that is out of order. So instead that it is right now driven by 4 motors, it is driven by 3. And that is a problem, but I need to fix it. So that's one stopped. And now you hear rattling because that's one motor that is driven, and that's not good. And now everything is stopped. Exit test, and I have to exit the test because otherwise I cannot access it with the program. And I have to first go to known host and then finding the entry, this entry, delete, because it's from the other video that I made last time, the latest video so far about discovery. And now I will be able to log in. Yes. And I hope this is the correct password. It is. So now I can change the terminal. So all right. And this also points out to a very weird thing that I've discovered. If you have watched the video, the latest one so far on my discovery robot, then you will have noticed that this went smoother than with the other robot. It's obviously a different controller. I mean, this controller is not the same controller. It is the same model, but it's not the same controller. And the weird thing is that when I connect that controller, the other one, with USB, then the USB address is a very strange one. And I have to use ifconfig to change the address to 7.1 so I can then access the controller. Now I didn't have to do that. So apparently the other controller is controlling the weird address on this interface. And that's not normal. Back to this one. Now I should set the date. Which is this one. And it last time was March, I see, and now it is May 27 and 0956. That means that all pictures that I am going to make hiermee, with this one, hiermee is Dutch, and that will have the correct timestamp. So now let's go into the coder. I do hope. Yeah. And here I have to do a restart, no, a service restart. Of SSH daemon in order to be able to receive the pictures. All right, that's one thing. Is that all? No, because I still have to fix the gear. So while I'm in, yes, I am in, but I haven't fixed the gear. So let's see if I can do that in the meantime. Okay. Free a cable. That gear is right here. But the not so nice part is that that gear in itself is in the right place, but these gears are not. Those are shifted out and maybe even pushed out. So, okay, yeah, I see what's happening. And I can't show it on camera, unfortunately. And then I also see, okay. Is that better? It is slightly better. It's also not exactly what I intended, but okay. The gears are now aligned again. And unfortunately, I can't really show on camera what I did. But the grinding, I hope, the grinding is over. Or so I hope. Anyway, backwards so it can view the object which is right here for the color separation. And now let's go to the color separation. And now the robot is running the Python program. So things are a little bit okay. There are certainly things that have to be improved. If you want to see those things, you'll have to watch the full video. And now you can see also that there's a motor failure somewhere. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, and click the bell for notification. Leave a comment down below as well. You can also click there for subscribing. And this is certainly going to be continued. Let me end the program, because it's painful to hear it rattling. You can watch the whole video by becoming a patron from Tier 2 or a member via Ko-fi, or just paying in the Ko-fi shop or Patreon shop. You can also support via PayPal, Ko-fi and Buy Me a Coffee. Thanks for my supporters mentioned on my website, and as I mentioned, to be continued. For now, have a great day, stay safe, Take care. Bye.